Hi everyone, my name is Indras. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Canva account step by step. Let's get started. Open any browser and type www.canva.com. After that, in the right side top corner, click on sign up button and it will give you multiple options to sign up. You can sign up with a Gmail and also you can sign up with the mail ID and password also. So I'll be going for with continue with the email. Click on that and enter your mail ID and continue. So Canva account will ask you the name. Just give your account name and continue. All right. So they'll send the code to complete this account. So let me go to Gmail account and you can see they have sent us the Canva the code. So let's copy that and paste it. And they have verified. And after verifying it, so we have one like few options we need to select, like what will you be using Canva for. So large company, non-profit or charity or personal and small business, teacher, student, like that. So I'm going for small business and it'll ask you multiple questions. We can tailor Canva to your industry. Pick your center. So you can even skip it or you can select the relevant ones. So marketing and advertising, startup, retail, healthcare, multiple industries are there. I'm going for marketing and advertising. And next question, how big is your company? So I'm selecting 2 to 9 employees. And next question, which department do you work in? We will find relevant design. So let me select. So relevant to my business, I'm selecting. So you can go ahead and select the relevant to your businesses. All right. So I'm selecting marketing and we have got the tools for every level. What's yours? C level, executive, director, manager, business owner, team. So I'm selecting, since I'm a business owner, I'm selecting business owner. Which of these work goals can we help you reach? So create visual docs and presentations, design sales and marketing collaterals and create internal communications, collaborate with the team, create learning materials. So I'll go for design sales and marketing collaterals. I'll go with this and then continue. So next question is upgrade to Canva Teams. So you can, for that you need to like you have to upgrade to the pro plan. So I'm just skipping this. Okay. So congrats. So we have successfully created a Canva account and you can see now we are in the Canva's home page and you can see here we have a lot of options like where you have projects, templates, brands, lot of apps, and a lot of options are there. So in my next video, I'll explain you the each and every option, so how to use in your designs. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next lesson.